During the wartime in Vietnam, my mom and the boss built up this shelter, bomb shelter, with salted fish. That's a salted fish shop where my mom worked. And 1 week passed, 2 weeks passed, and we literally ran out of food. And in the end, we have to eat our shelter. So this very much reminds me of that experience. The story of the fish also have a strong memory that my mom, she cast a fish, wooden fish, put on the table. And I asked her why the wooden fish on the table. And she said because we can't afford fish, so putting the wooden fish on the table can make our dinner taste better. I have done many buildings in my works before, but this time is the first time that relate to my memory closely and directly, very personal experience. And although I put the 5 empty bowls that represent the 5 continents in the world, because being hungry without food, that could affect everybody. Yeah, it doesn't matter where you are.